Hey there, YouTube superstars. Welcome back to our channel, where we uncover the secrets to earning big bucks online. Today, we are diving into the thrilling world of Google Ads and how you can maximize your earnings with a high CPC. Get ready to unleash your full potential and turn those clicks into cash. So, grab your notepads and get ready to learn the art of earning through Google Ads with the high CPC. Google Ads may seem like a complex universe, but we are not. We are here to guide you through the process with fun and aspiring tips. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Discover your golden niche. Choosing the right niche is the secret sauce to attracting advertisers willing to pay top dollar. Look for niches that have high demand for online advertising, like finance, technology, or health. It's like striking gold. Step 2. Create killer content that advertisers can't resist. Engaging valuable content is the key to attracting high-paying ads. Dive deep into your niche, conduct thorough research, and produce top-notch articles, videos, or podcasts. Remember, quality content is the currency of the digital world. Step 3. Be a master of ad placement. Think of your website as prime real estate for advertisers. Strategically, place ads above the fold, blend them seamlessly with your website's design, and utilize responsive ad units for optimal visibility and clicks. It's like having a money-making billboard on your virtual property. Step 4. Drive targeted traffic to your site. The more relevant visitors you attract, the higher the chance of displaying high CPC ads. Optimize your website for search engines, leverage the power of social media, and engage in content marketing to draw in the right audience. Get them flocking to your digital domain. Step 5. Keep an eye on your ad performance. Don't just set in and forget it. Regularly monitor your ad metrics like CPC, click-through rate, CTR, and revenue. Experiment with different strategies to optimize your earnings and find the winning formula. Remember, data is your secret weapon. And voila, you have unlocked the potential of earning through Google Ads with high CPC. But hold on, there is still more to explore and conquer. Immerse yourself in success stories and learn from other digital entrepreneurs who have paved the way. The possibilities are endless, and with dedication, creativity, and a pinch of persistence, you can reach new heights of online success. So my fellow money-making maestros, go forth and conquer the world of Google Ads. Remember, with high CPC and a dash of determination, you can turn your online venture into a money-making machine. Hit that subscribe button and join a community of digital dynamos.